Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open and enroll in a Bank of America online banking account step by step so you can manage your finances online. To get started, open a web browser and go to bankofamerica.com. On the homepage, look for the login box and click Enroll. Next, you'll be asked to enter the last 6 digits of your Bank of America debit card, credit card, or account number. After that, enter your Social Security number or tax ID number and click Continue. If you don't have an SSN or TIN, you can click the option that says you don't have one and follow the alternative enrollment steps or call Bank of America for assistance. Now, enter and confirm your email address. Bank of America will send an authorization code to that email. Click Send Code, then check your email and enter the code on the screen. After that, select your ATM or debit card and enter the PIN for that card, then click Submit. If you only have a credit card or loan, you'll see different fields to verify your information instead. Next, review the electronic communications disclosure. Check the box to acknowledge it and click Continue. You'll then review the online banking service agreement. Check the box to accept it and click Continue again. Now it's time to create your online banking login. Choose your new online ID and password, confirm the password, and click Continue. Make sure your password is secure and never share it with anyone. Finally, select your security preference and click Continue. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's best to choose No for saving your information. Once you complete these steps, your Bank of America online banking account will be set up and ready to use. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you open a Bank of America online bank account, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.